Let's learn how to calculate volumes with TCP PointCloud Editor. On the modeling ribbon, we run the model difference volume calculation tool, and specify the source and destination grids. Total areas and volumes for cut and fill are displayed. We can print these results, or export them to text, Word or Excel. We accept and see that a new volume type item has been created in the project's table of contents. We hide the two grids, select the volume, and with the context menu we choose the representation option. We choose that the color of each cell depends on the value of the volume. Now we choose the palette for cut, in red tones. And we do the same with the fill palette, in blue tones. We accept, and you can appreciate the cut and fill areas. If in configuration we enable the lighting, we also see the limits of the area and the transition lines.